Things that you can do to control the keto flu. 1. Stay hydrated. You will need to drink plenty of water during this time too. Ensure that your body is properly hydrated. This is especially true if you have diarrhea or you have been vomiting. You should be drinking about 9 or 13 cups of water a day while dealing with the keto flu. This will help you to recover. You do not just have to drink water. You can do keto smoothies, fruits, or bone broth. 2. Consume more fiber. During this time, you may find that you are suffering from digestive issues, and you may be experiencing increased hunger. To help aid in this, consider adding more fiber to your diet. Add items like avocado, low-carb vegetables, mushrooms, and peppers to help boost your fiber intake.